Hi everybody, welcome to this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Big honors for Jamaican stars. Dancehall and reggae heavyweights, Vybz Kartel, Beenie Man, Busy Signal, Wayne Wonder and the Spragga Benz were honored on Monday evening by Mayor of Lauderhill Denise Grant for their outstanding contribution to music and continued humanitarian efforts. Now the five icons received the key to Broward County in Florida, along with official proclamations from the city of Lauderhill and the state of Florida, a significant recognition to their cultural impact locally and globally.
We present you with a key to Broward County. We present you with a proclamation from the state senator, Rosalind Osgood, as well as from our state representative, Lisa Dunkley, and also Daryl Campbell. We present you with a tribute from County Commissioner Hazel P. Rogers, and we also present you with a proclamation from Congress.
It's a pleasure. It's a very humbling thing. So, you know my motto already. God is the greatest. Good night, everybody. Oh, big up the artists, them. I like you, them on the panel. They don't know. Miss Mayor, big up, enough love. Thank you, guys.
I just want to say thank you so much. I'm a much of a speaker. I write songs, not speeches, but I just want to say thank you for everything. Thank you. It's off the top of my head. I just want to say thank you so much.
City Manager, Commissioners, dignitaries, distinguished guests, brothers and sisters, enough respect.
Before I leave, I just want to say, oh na 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 na. Sincere. Who got the keys to my river? Oh my. Love you all people. Big up all of my artists and big up all of my co-workers. Love you know, respect, manners, rasta, footer, holy foot.
Now still on Vybz Kartel, the king of dancehall tops Irama nominations. Now Kartel leads with 11 nods for the 43rd staging of the International Reggae and World Music Awards. Sean Paul earned 8 nods. Massacre secured 5. And the queen of dancehall Spice also secured 5 nods alongside Shensia and Leela Ike. Reggae icon Burning Spear is set to receive the prestigious Lifetime and Master of World Music honor. Now on the international scene, Tourette's Action has released a statement following the backlash John Davidson faced after involuntary vocal tic during the BAFTAs ceremony. In a statement, they apologized to the black community for the hurt caused, but emphasized that tics are neurological and involuntary, not a reflection of a person's beliefs, intentions, or character. They also shared that John left the ceremony early after the moment became overwhelming. The organization is urging people to educate themselves about Tourette syndrome and show compassion, highlighting the emotional toll that public misunderstanding can have. That's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.